Hello children, I am Meenakshi from Kendriya Vidyalaya Kalashaya and today we are going to start a new chapter that is Wonderful Waste. So, I want to ask you one thing. Do you know children can be quite useful? How? That we will find out in this chapter. Wonderful Waste. A waste can be amazing or wonderful thing can be. So, let's start the story. Once the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. In the afternoon, before the dinner, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey the dishes that had been prepared for the feast. "What are you going to do with those vegetable scraps?" he asked the cook, pointing to the basket of scraps near the cook. The cook replied, "They are waste. We will throw them away." In this paragraph, how the story starts when one day the Maharaja of Travancore, actually Travancore is a place name, so Maharaja ordered a grand dinner in his palace one day. Before the dinner, Maharaja thought to visit the kitchen to survey or study the dishes that was prepared by the cook for the grand dinner or for the feast. Because actually he wanted to make sure that the preparation is going well or not. So he wanted to examine the whole thing. Maharaja saw vegetable scraps in the basket. So he asked the cook, "What are you going to do with those vegetable scraps?" The cook replied, "Oh, Maharaja, they are waste. We'll throw them away. It is not useful." In the next paragraph, it will start like this. "You cannot waste all those bits and pieces of vegetables. Find a way to use them," the Maharaja commanded sternly and walked away. The cook was in a fix and kept staring at the vegetable scraps for some time. Suddenly, an idea flashed across his mind. In this paragraph, the writer wants to tell us when Maharaja said, "No, you can't waste all these small bits and pieces of vegetables. Just find a way to use them. You can't throw them." Maharaja ordered the cook sternly, very harshly or strictly. Then he went back to his room. Now, the cook was in a trouble or in a bad situation. He was actually very confused. He was just staring, it means continuously looking at the vegetable scraps for some time. All of a sudden, a great idea has come in his mind. He took all the vegetables bits, washed them, and cleaned them well. Then he cut them into long strips. He put them in a huge pot and placed it on the fire to cook. Next, he ground some fresh coconut, green chilies, and garlic together. He added this paste and some salt to the cooking vegetables. A tempting smell started coming from the pot. Now he start the preparation to use the vegetable scraps. He washed all the vegetable scraps and cleaned them properly. Then he chopped all the vegetable scraps. He put all the vegetables into a big pot and put the pot on the fire to cook. Then he ground coconut, green chilies, and garlic together. He mixed this paste and added salt to the cooking vegetables. A highly attractive smell started coming from the pot. Now he whipped some curd and added it to the curry. He also poured a few spoonfuls of coconut oil and decorated the dish with curry leaves. Lo and behold, the new dish was ready. The cook served this to the guests that evening. Everyone was eager to know the name of the new dish. The cook thought and thought, then named it Avial. The rest of the preparation was made by the cook is like this. Now he whipped. Whipped means bitten or hit repeatedly some curd and added this to the curry. He poured spoonfuls of coconut oil and decorate the dish with curry leaves. Lo and behold, I hope lo and behold means look what a surprise has made. The new dish was ready to serve. The cook served the dish to the guests. Everyone was very eager or curious to know the name of this new dish. The cook was continuously thinking about the name of the new dish. Then a name came to his mind. He named it Avial. Now Avial became famous all over Kerala and is now one of the dishes in a traditional Kerala feast. And imagine, it all came from a basket of waste. After that, Avial became very famous or popular over Kerala and now one of the famous dish in a traditional Kerala feast. And you can't even imagine, it all came from a basket of waste. So, in this chapter, the story of wonderful waste, a lesson we got from this chapter, we should not waste our vegetables or anything. It can be quite useful if we make an effort to recycle the waste. I hope you enjoyed this video and you understand the story of wonderful waste. Thank you.